9. Biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin?
Mga tao! Huwag kayong bakla!
You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees. Sabi niya sa SALD, niya, considering that as requested, Attorney Soraya Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared to receive Center Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si BTC and kay Baliburton, may text tayo galing kay SALD Luna. Sabi niya SALD Luna, tapos na yun. To General Victoria from SALD Luna, as for Attorney Soraya Lopez, the Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torres, at the time, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House Directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the unfettered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visibility rights of the following people: Rosa, Secretary Marcos, and President Sara. Please be advised that all the hospital safety guidelines will be followed as hospital policies on the station. Secretarian for safety needed to fly time. Dito, walang liquids na. Dito naman mo, sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni Bipi. Ma'am, sasakay po kayo. Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni Bipi. Kasama niyo po si Bipi sa sasakyan. We will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center. Hindi ka naman iniwanan ni Bipi. Promise. They are just in one car.
Bigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Doon ka na, Ching.
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am.
Ano na siguro, Ching?
Muna ako ha. Next.
Atras muna, atras. Atras. Patras sabi mo, nagsakay sa mga. Abutin mo yung ano. Abutin mo yung ano.
Hindi nyo ba nakita yun? Hindi nyo nakita yun? Hindi ito suspect, hindi ito convict.
Ma'am, dadalhin po namin yung St. Luke's. Dadalhin
Hindi,
po namin yung St. Luke's.
kanina sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke's. Dinala nyo
Hindi
dito.
ko po alam. Ibang driver po yun.
Nako, sir. Hindi.
Ibang driver po yun. Hindi po namin alam yun.
But you did what you did. We saw it. We saw it on video. Huwag, sir. Saan yung abogado? Asan yung abogado ni Liza? Yan.
Kasi sir, nung,
Bibili lang yan ng contempt.
sir, nung nanggaling kami ng batasan, sinabi ko si Lux kami pupunta. Dito niya kami sa veterans.
Oo.
So what is that? That you will bring her to St. Lux.
Saan yan pupunta, sir? Nakita mo yung kondisyon niya? Paano tatakbo yan? Paano tatakbo yan?
So sir, gusto niyo po.
Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag yung alam nyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong bakla. Tama. Tama.
Gusto niyo po.
Taas ninyo, mga polis.
Naniniwala ako na it was attempted homicide because she feared for her life. Pag nakakita siya ng uniform ng police, ma'am, natataranta siya. Kasi imagine mo ba naman, 9 biglang papasok sa kwarto mo. Wala naman tayong problema eh. Ano bang problema natin? Nandoon nakadetain yung tao. Mag-a-attend ng hearing. Nagbibisita kami. Sinusunod namin yung oras ng pagbisita. I don't know, understand. Why do you have to antagonize a detainee who is fully cooperating sa lahat ang kailangan niyang gawin para matapos lang ang hearing na yan na money-making scheme ng mga congressman.
We are going to transport Asik Laika from St. Luke's Hospital to Veterans Hospital. This is in compliance with the directive of the House of Representatives to Major General Napoleon Taas as the Sergeant at Arms. The PNP is assisting him in this order for the transfer of medical facility for Attorney Zulaika Lopez, dated November 23, 2024. Ang nakasulat dito, considering that as requested, Attorney Zulaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared by the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees to government facilities for immediate implementation and signed by the authority of the Speaker.